What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Back at it again with another live for you guys. So let me share my screen. So I already took a trade this morning. Ended up getting stopped out. Price respected this area. So you can see here I got stopped out. We might make one more attempt, but we just have to really see where price wants to go. As we can see here, price totally rejected the previous all-time high right here. So we tapped into the London low, and I think it's going to want to keep going. So we're looking at the 15-minute here. See clear rejection right here, and then it's pushing up. So I put here that we don't want to take buys until we're above 36.99. So we're going to make an all-time high here, which is more than likely going to happen. So we got 2 minutes till market open. I'm going to make probably one more attempt. The account's currently at $30 right now, so we're pretty much $20 down on the account so far. So, which is a lot for a $50 account. So, but you know, we're not down and out. So I'm still in this thing. So we can see price is pushing heavier here. So look at that, multiple rejections. So, because the reason you could see here why I took this position was because, of course, we had a nice bearish candle that pushed down. So I felt like we're going to be able to break this area right here. But, of course, that didn't happen. So we're just going to wait and see if price retests the new all-time high and then see where it goes from there. We'll just be patient. So because price could come up here or here and then reject. So I might have just gotten in too early. It could have been the case. So we'll just wait. Because we had a nice push down. Look, came all the way down here and then respected this area right here, and then it pulled right back up. So market open just happened. So we'll see what is price going to do. So because if you see here, we're still in this range. So we need to break out of this range. So we just have to be patient. So hopefully we get a pullback down to here. So we'll see. We'll see what does price want to do. So we can mark up like an hourly high and low. All right, so we got an hourly high, hourly low. What color can I do that? Do that. Yeah, so we're pushing up. Might hit a new all-time high, guys. We almost hit 3,700. So we're at a key level right now, 36.95. So if we break above here, we're going to look for buys. We just have to break out of this range here. See what did what did Asian session do? Asian session was pretty bullish. So we had all this. So a little bit of chop right here, chop. So actually, it was pretty choppy, even though it was slowly going up. It didn't go up until the end. So almost 2 o'clock. So this is on the 5 minute. So it wasn't to the very end that it started going up, and then it created this momentum pullback, came up, touched all time high, and then pulled back again. So we have our London high and low. So we're just gonna wait. So I'll show you guys the account really quick. So you can see here, this was my initial trade. This is on the 1 minute. So this was my initial trade. So again, price pushed down. So we had 2 validating candles. I put my stops above the previous high, which of course textbook would have been perfectly fine. But again, price respected this level right here. So price respected that, and then of course reversed up. So because I thought price was going to break through that, and then of course we were going to target these lows, all right here. But you know, it's one of those things. I was wrong. So we took a small loss. I think I took a loss of like $3. I took a loss of $3.57. We're down $13 for the week so far. So let's see, this week. Oh no, we're $20 for this week. So we gotta get back in there. But again, we're gonna wait. I think price is definitely gonna tap into the all-time high and then keep going. So we're gonna wait for it to come in here, wait for some type of pullback, and then wait for an entry. Yeah, look at that. We're bullish. We're bullish as hell. So even on the hour, yeah, super bullish. Yeah, we just broke the previous candle right here. So we just broke the hourly high. So yeah, we're definitely gonna make a new all-time high. So technically, on the 1 minute, I actually could take a position right here. And then target just a 1 to 2. But we need to wait because if price pulls back, because we're at an hourly high right here. So we gotta wait. Let's shoot for a 1 to 3. Here we go. So this looks good to me. I think I'm gonna take this. No, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Price is rejecting. So this is a pullback. So we need another solid candle. Okay, nice pullback. So could we take a short right here? Come all the way back down to London. It's hard to tell because we're just too bullish right now. Yeah, that's a good indicator right there. So we got an equal low right here. Stops above. Nice 1 to 3. We got to see if it's going to consolidate and then break through. Is price going to respect this hourly high? We can come back all the way down here. So I won't look for anything until we break. We break here. I'll take a sell. Got to see a break. Yeah, I like that. All right, guys. I took a sell. The price is going to push. All right, so we're risking almost $5 here. All right, so my entry is actually right here. So, and then my stops are actually up here. Yeah, this was my entry. So I actually am targeting, I think, down here. So we'll see if we get if we get stopped out here. So this will be my last trade. So I'm only taking 2 trades, and that's it. However the outcome is on this, it'll be. So I mean, if price wants to continue to keep pushing forward or keep pushing to the upside, then That's what it is. But we had multiple rejections on the hourly right here. So price could reject, or it could continue to push up. Because according to this, it looks like it wants to continue to make all-time highs. So, but we'll see. Let me see. Actually, I want to move this up right above the high, previous high. So I actually moved my stop loss right above here, just to give it some room. So, because we could have a pullback here. The price is kind of just retesting this area right here. Hopefully we get a double top right here and we just push to the downside. That's 549. See what does price want to do. So we're getting some rejection wicks right here. I like to see. All right, I like these rejection wicks. We need price to pull down. Let's see. See, price is doing the same thing it did down here. There's a lot of sellers that are trying to come into the market. It's not being able to push price up. It keeps rejecting. So, but we'll see. Yeah, price is going to push to 3,700. Looks like. Yeah. Price is not wanting to push down. So we need to reject this hourly high right here. So if we go to this hourly high, we need to reject it. Reject. That we can't break above it. We need to pull back. Yeah, we need that pullback. Yeah, that's what we need. Yeah, that's what we needed with that pullback. See if we continue to push down is the question. There we go. Yeah, we need a break. Yeah, we need to keep pushing down. Let's see if we can do it. You know, we had rejections here, rejections here. See if price wants to do the right thing. So we're coming up on 7 a.m. also. So it's usually a reversal. So we have a little bit of news, business inventories, but they're all yellow folders. So we'll see if that affects the market at all. Yeah, we have to respect this hourly high. Keep pushing down. What do you guys think, chat? You think price is going to pull down? Or you think we're going to blow through this hourly high and make a new all-time high? Because we already almost did it. We were at 36.99.62. We're going to reject here, pull back. I would love to break through the previous all-time high and target target all the way down here, ideally. But I'd definitely like to take out, London low. Oh, there we go. We're getting a pullback. Okay, we had a pullback. So price went right back to my entry. Let's see if we can keep pushing. We'll be, I think, in the clear if we break here. We have to break here first. Once we break here, I think we can take all this out. So, but I don't like this rejection wick right here. I'm hoping price respects that hourly high. Price is just kind of consolidating. So we need to push to the downside here. Come on. So 7 o'clock already happened. So we should get a reversal here. Should get a nice push to the downside. Dang, okay. We don't like this push right here. We just need to respect this hourly high. That's all. Respect it. Do my quick Instagram post. What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. We are back on the charts. We are live on my YouTube right now. If y'all want to tap in, link is in the bio. We took 2 trades. I took one trade pre-market, which ended up respecting a certain level of demand, and then of course pushed up, stopped me out. We're in another sell position, so another attempt. We're trying to see if price is going to respect this hourly high. So this was the first trade that I took. So of course you can see here, price rejected this demand, and then we had a push to the upside. And then currently right here, this is the hourly high right here. So we're trying to see if price is going to respect that and then push to the downside. So we are in sells as of right now. So we'll see how this trade plays out. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Okay. Price is trying to push down. I don't know, guys. We're just caught in a bunch of chop. I don't know, guys. I don't know if price is wanting to push higher. This price just rejected a previous area of demand. So, but again, we got to see if price is going to respect this hourly high here. Doesn't look like it is. Okay, price is trying to respect this hourly high. We just need a heavy push to the downside. I don't know, guys. I'm conflicted. Is price gonna respect this hourly right here and push to the downside, or is it just gonna rip up? Yeah, those are 30-minute. Look like. Yeah, I mean the 30-minute is really bullish. Yeah, it's too bullish. Yeah, I think we're gonna push for all-time highs again. Yeah, it's not respecting the hourly high. So I'm gonna jump out of this trade, guys. I'm gonna get stopped out anyways. All right. So we are down to $26. So you can see here, almost got stopped out. So price is just wanting to push higher. So you guys can see here, balance $26. We took a loss of 422. So these two losses right here. So total for today, took a loss of 4, 5, 6, 7, probably like $8. So that's it for today, guys. Just prices just wanting to push higher. So that's it. We're not going to take any more trades. That is it. So I'm calling it 2 trades done. So we're pretty much lost almost half the account. So, but we're going to continue to size super low as we can and just come back tomorrow. So even if price ends up, dumping from right here, it is what it is. We got out because we needed to, because we kind of saved ourselves from hitting our actual stop loss and losing more money. So, but these are the 2 trades that we took. We could see just a lot of chop, today. This morning was not the morning to trade, really. I thought price was going to do something here because we did, push down, but we kept respecting this area right here, this hourly low, and we ended up pushing up. So this would have been the move for the morning right here. That's it. Because now it's just consolidating. It's probably going to push up to make a new all-time high. So we're done there. So, but as always, appreciate you guys popping on these lives every morning. Just trading live with me. So you guys can like, comment, and subscribe. And we will be back at it tomorrow. All right, guys, have a great day and God bless.